N8n course for beginners. Complex workflows and AI integration. N8n went from a simple app connector to the open-source platform builders now use for real AI agents. Here's everything the beginner path actually covers. Module 1. The basics, triggers and nodes. Module 1. The foundation. Triggers, webhooks, schedules, form submissions. Start every workflow, and nodes chain together to move and transform your data step by step. Module 2. Branching, loops, and error handling. Module 2. Real logic. Branching, loops, and error handling turn a simple automation into something that actually survives contact with messy, real-world data. Module 3. The AI agent node. Module 3. AI agents. This is the core shift. An agent node wraps a language model with memory and tools, so it can reason through a task and decide what to do, instead of following one fixed path. Module 4. Giving your agent tools. Module 4. Tools. Connect an HTTP request tool so your agent can call any API, or expose an entire existing workflow as a callable tool. That's how you compose real, complex behavior. Module 5. Real workflow patterns. Module 5. Real patterns. Support ticket triage, content publishing pipelines, and CRM data enrichment are the templates most beginners build first. The honest learning curve. Be honest with yourself. N8n's expression syntax and prompt design for agents both take real practice. Budget a few weekends, not a few hours. The full beginner to advanced course covering all of this is on my channel. Follow so you don't miss it.